Once upon a time, there was a king who loved to sing more than anything. Oh, Figaro, 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 Figaro. Suddenly he heard an echo. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. He went to the window. Stop that infernal barking out there, I command you. I am the king, and I want you to stop. That should teach him. Where was I? I probably need to warm up again. Me, 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 me. Oh, me, 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 me. Suddenly, a bumblebee buzzed into his window. Buzz, 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 buzz. What is this? A bumblebee in my castle. Off with you. Go away. Buzz, 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 buzz. You are annoying. Go out my window at once, I command you. Buzz, 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 buzz. And the bee left. And the king went back to his singing. Oh, Figaro, Figaro, Figaro. Suddenly there was a knock at the door. Yes, hello. Come in. There was no response, so the king went over to open the door. And a dog came rushing in. Ruff, 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 ruff. Stop that infernal licking all over my face, I command you. What is it that you want? Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Oh, that's not bad for a dog. If I let you sing with me, will you go away? Ruff, ruff, ruff. All right, then. Figaro, Figaro, Figaro. Ruff, 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 ruff. Well, the dog and the king sang, but it wasn't enough. There was a bee that was after them. Buzz, 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 buzz. Oh, must you sing with us? Buzz, 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 buzz. Will you go away if you leave me alone? If I let you sing, will you leave me alone? Buzz, 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 buzz. All right, then. And so they all sang together. Figaro, Figaro, Figaro. Buzz, 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 buzz. Ruff, 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 ruff. Figaro, buzz, 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 ruff, ruff, ruff. Okay, that's enough. That's it. No more singing. Everybody needs to go home. And with that, the bee flew away. Buzz, 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 buzz. The dog went away. Ruff, 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 ruff. And the tired king went straight to bed without one more musical note. Oh. Hi, guys. So today we're going over NG, which says, You push your tongue up against your teeth. As in king. Oh, hello there. Ellie here. Okay, we're going to practice writing this new two-letter sound. Sounds like you're plugging your nose when you say it. Okay, so this is already written. We're just going to trace over it. All right, here we go. Line letter go down, up and over. Circle letter. Circle, go down and make a tail. And then you say the sound. And then do it again. Circle letter. Tail. As in king. Good job. Oh, hi guys. It's me, Jerome. Okay, guess what we're going to spell today? King. You remember our king in the story. Okay, so first I need the K. There's my K. Okay, now I need a I. And that funny sound, Okay. K, I, king. Yes, and guess what? The king could sing. So we're going to substitute this and put sing. And then on his finger, he wears a ing. Pretty cool. Thanks, guys. Figaro, 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 Figaro. Buzz, 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 buzz. 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 That's me. Buzz, 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 buzz. Away from you. Oh, away from you. I'm the king and I'm singing. Buzz, 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 buzz. Away, away, away. Oh, dear, 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 dear. Buzz, 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 buzz. Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie. Okay, so here I have some sounds that I want to show you. Remember zzz? Well, you put two together, it's still just zzz, okay? Tickles my tongue every time I say that. Same with here. Remember one F, which says f. Two is just very f. Same thing. Okay, and then we have two s, they're just s, and two oohs, they're just ooh. All right, well, we have our dog from our story. And we've used this dog before. He's Daryl, but he has a middle name. His middle name is Muff. Okay? So, Muff, we're going to call him Muff today. All right, we'll put you down there. Okay, let's spell his name. Okay, Muff, scooch you up there a little bit. I need a Yes, there it is. I need a for up. Training wheels there. And I need my there you go. There's Muff. Yes, he makes a lot of noise. He can hurt my ears. Okay, and there you go. Ruff. He says ruff, ruff, ruff all the time. Oh dear, that's quite enough. Okay, I didn't say that you could do that. He gave me a big a dog kiss. Oh dear. Hey guys, it's me, Jerome. We are ready for letter R. Oh yeah. Okay, so get out a dark marker. And we're going to draw the king. All right, so draw a circle for the head. All right, and we're going to make a crown. Okay, nice. He's got kind of a little bit of a profile, so we're going to put his face on this side. We're going to put a nose right there. Good job. 2 dots for eyes. And a little mustache. And his mouth open wide. You can zoom in a little bit. Move it down. There you go. Okay, mouth open because he's singing. Nice. All right. Give him a little ear over here. And inside. Okay, now he's got curly hair. Put that guy up there. So we'll put some curly hair. Little wavy lines and a little bit over on the other side. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Okay, and he's got some kind of neck thing. A fluffy king thing. Okay, nice. And then we can draw the arms coming out. All right, you ready? And down, over, up to the armpit, and down, over, up to the armpit. Maybe move them over a little bit. And down, over, and up to the collar. Nice. Okay, he's also got those those poofy things. Okay, so maybe put a little bit one right there. And a hand. And the other side. And a hand. Nice. Okay, zoom out just a pinch. There you go. Okay, we're going to do that poofy thing right here. And then some legs going down, over, up. And down, over, up. And then a loop for the shoe. And another loop for the shoe. Yeah, good job. Okay, he's kind of got some dots on those The little fluffy thing. So go ahead and put some dots on there. Okay. And I guess he's got a line right there. You can leave that off if you want. Now, you can color him any way you want. This is how the puppet looks with the blue, but you can do whatever you want. And he likes to sing, so let's give him some notes. Maybe a few more. There you go. Maybe give him a bubble so it looks like it's coming out of his mouth, like a cartoon bubble. There you go. He likes to sing. Yeah. Sing. Ta-da! Good job, guys. Okay, so I have our word list for the day. We have the words, we have the double O, double Z, double S, and double F. Okay, so practice those. It's helping you learn how to read. Take a picture.